cracks me up. Why? Why do people join somebody's live just to write a really fucking negative comment? I can't get my head around that, honestly. Hi from Serbia, hi. Hi. Yes, Kai. Yes, it is Kai. Go and have a look. _ Andrea Suzanne _ Andrea Suzanne 1. Buddy, oh my god. Your spicy link is awesome. Thank you. Yes. Go over. Check it out. Hey from Germany. You have my complete attention. You've got mine now. Love the Stoke accent. Hello from Portugal. Nice. Where are you from? I'm from Stoke-on-Trent. Nice boots. Can you see my? You can't see my boots. Or is that meant to be boobs? So my Instagram is _ Andrea Suzanne and _ Andrea Suzanne 1. And if you go and click the link in the bio, you can chat to me on there and you can ask for whatever it is you want. And I promise you now, I will do my best to deliver it. And that's straight out of the horse's mouth. Yes. Richard gorgeous. Come to Greece. Would love to. I'm sure you will do all the best. Yes, I will. I am single, Kai. I love the puppy. Thank you. Oh, look at my hair. Thank you. Love the confidence, darling. Oh, thank you. I like your puppy. He is beautiful, isn't he? Hi, Alina. Love the red hair. Thanks, Kai. What's the step? Why you say that? Can I see him, please? Of course you can. Hold on, I'm trying not to disturb him, but to show you at the same time. We'll do good business. You see him? He's a little baby. So cute he is. He's so tiny, yet he's got a very big personality, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, thanks J.R. Nunez. What a little love. Yes. Look at him. Look at that little thing. That. Who's just said that? I've just lost it. How the fuck have I just lost that? Paul. Snores and farts. Was the dog or me? Guys, go and check out my my Instagram, _AndreaSuzanne, _AndreaSuzanne1. Click the link in my bio and message me on there and ask me for anything. Anything you want, ask me. No, Zahika, don't. Hi. No, guys, I absolutely love you lot. Hi, Damon. Ben. Alina. Why somebody who's... I can feel a hair here. That's what I'm doing. Damon, do you know what? From driving all that. My body's What do you do on here? Not a lot on here. But if you go over to Instagram, _AndreaSuzanne, click the link in the bio, and I do a lot on there. Oh my god. Oh my days, just fold them up. Where did you drive to, Michael? I drove to London and back again. It's a 3-hour journey, but on the way back it took 5.5 hours. With 4 kids and a puppy. And me. I'm sleeping. I will be in a minute. I will be. Yes. I need a woman like you in my life. I'm here. I'm in your life. I hope. I'm not Greek. I would love to speak Greek though. Yeah, I think there is some TikToks with me, my hair up, yes. But I do prefer my hair down. Good, Declan. Yes, I do have Greek profiles. I do, yes. Because I do work with Greek people. But don't let the language barrier stop you. So then, guys, I'm gonna go in a minute. But before I go, why don't you go over to my Instagram? Yes, I am into Greeks. I do like Greek people, yes. My first ever love was with a Greek person. I can't stand up and I can't do a 360, guys, tonight because I have this little beaut asleep on my knees. So, look at that. You see how cute is he? Zahik. Thanos. Owens, is that how you say that? There's no link on your Insta yet. There is. Go into my Instagram bio. There's a link there. There is. I've got 2 Instagrams and the same links in both. My love.